Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by obtaining a lawful copy, know why license matters and what you can edit. Use a downloader that lets you pick resolution and codec so quality matches your edit timeline. Once downloaded, save the original and inspect its properties: resolution, frame rate, and audio sample rate. This prevents mismatched renders later. Next, create a new project in your editor matching those settings so you won't need to scale or retime footage during editing. Now you assemble your timeline, import clips, label tracks, and place primary footage on the main track. You should match project settings to the source to avoid quality loss. This is why you inspected properties earlier. Cut for pacing, add J and L edits to smooth transitions, and insert adjustment layers for color grading so changes apply globally. Once balanced, add audio, duck music under voiceover, normalize levels, and apply subtle compression to keep clarity. Finalize by exporting using YouTube-friendly settings: H, 264 video, AAC audio, and a bitrate appropriate for resolution. Render an initial short segment to verify sync, bitrate, and color. Make sure loudness meets target standards and there are no compression artifacts. If you see issues, reconform the timeline or transcode the source to an intermediate codec like ProRes before re-editing. If upload fails, check metadata and re-export with.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.